guys, welcome back. Hopefully everybody's doing good. So just to kind of recall a little bit, the other day we did adding polynomials. So that was what the one video was. So again, you distribute the addition sign, go through and combine like terms. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do subtracting polynomials. So we're going to be subtracting polynomials, and it's going to be very, very similar to adding polynomials. Okay. So this will be the last three problems on that worksheet that is due by 11:59 on Thursday night. Okay. So to subtract polynomials, you're going to see a subtraction sign in between them. So for this problem here, we have 2x to the third plus 3x squared minus 5x. This whole thing minus this entire trinomial here, which is negative 4x squared plus 3x minus 7. Similar to adding polynomials like yesterday, for subtracting, we're going to distribute the negative sign to every term to the right of the negative sign. So we're going to distribute. So we bring down 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x. And then we distribute a negative times a negative gives us a positive 4x squared. A negative times a positive gives us a negative 3x. And a negative times a negative gives us a positive 7. Once you distribute the negative sign, it's exactly like yesterday. You're going to combine like terms. In order to combine the coefficients, the numbers in front, they have to have the same variable and the same exponent. If they do, you add or subtract those numbers together. So for instance, I put a square or arrow under my x cubes, a squiggly line under anything that had x squared, a box under anything that just had an x, and just remember those x's there are the same thing as x to the first power. If you want to put that 1 there, it'll help when we get to multiplying. And then a star under just my constants, my numbers without variables. So then I combine them. Nothing goes with this 2x cubed, so I bring it down. I have a positive 3x squared and a positive 4x squared. 3 plus 4 is 7x squared. I have a negative 5x and a negative 3x, so that gives me a negative 8x. And then I have this 7 with nothing to bring together, so I just bring that down. So my final answer is 2x to the third plus 7x squared minus 8x plus 7. And I'm done. So again, I distribute the negative sign today. I combine my like terms, same variable, same exponent, and then I write in descending order if I can. Number 3, you don't have to worry about too much until we get to factoring in Unit 8. If you can kind of get the habit of it, that would be great. So 2 more problems, and then let you guys go, and you can start the work. Again, tomorrow, instead of doing Google Meet, we'll be doing Zoom. Zoom's an app that you can download on your Chromebook. I've updated it on Schoology, and you can kind of look at it. And if you have any questions, just send me an email or message me through Schoology. So this next problem we're going to do is 3x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 7. So there's no parentheses here, so we're just going to go straight into combining. I'm going to put a squiggly line under all of my x squares, an arrow under anything with an x, and then I'm just going to do a box underneath my constants. So when I look at that, nothing combines with this x squared, so I leave it alone. Again, like yesterday, I can cross it off as I go to make sure I've talked about it and I'm not doing it again. Then I have a positive 5x and a minus 2x. 5 minus 2 is 3, so I get a plus 3x. And again, I can put a 1 there, but I don't have to. And then I can cross off. And then I have this negative 7 all by itself. So that would be my answer. Negative 3x squared plus 3x minus 7. Okay. Last problem we're going to do is goes back to the similar ones here where we have our parentheses. So I have a negative 4x to the third minus 3x squared plus 7x minus 4x plus 5. So the first thing I'm going to do here is distribute this negative sign to the problems to the right of it. Okay. So when I look at this problem, I'm going to rewrite the left side. So I get negative 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x. A negative times a negative is going to give me a positive 4x. And then a negative times a positive is a negative. So you just kind of remember those rules. If it changes positive or negative, that'll be one thing that'll kind of mess you up. Then I'm going to do a squiggly line. I'm going to do things under like terms. So nothing combines with this negative 4x cubed. There's no other x squares. there is two x terms, so I'm going to combine those coefficients, the numbers in front of the variables, and there's nothing to combine with that negative 5. So what this is going to look like when I'm done is I'm going to get negative 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so plus 11x minus 5. And that would be my final answer. Again, nothing goes with this negative 4x cubed. Nothing goes with this negative 3x squared. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11x's total. And then this negative 5. Okay? I look really forward to seeing you guys tomorrow on Zoom. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, that assignment is due Thursday night by 11:59. And then the next video for Friday will be a combination of adding and subtracting. I hope all is well. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. And I hope to see you soon. Have a great day, guys.